Didn't think I had it running, but I did. Got our first fish here. Right at the first stop. Little rock bass over there. Right at the pinch down. Beautiful little guy starting off today. See you, buddy. Thank you for biting. What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today we're out in the creek. And I don't really know how to make this intro. Tried to make this intro a couple times already. And just don't know what to title it, what to do with it. It's been a little bit since we've been on making a video. It's been a bit since we've made a video. Been out fishing a couple times. Went out with Bible Bell on his boat. Caught a couple fish there. Caught a couple creek fish here and there. But just haven't felt like making a video, really. But I don't know how to make an intro to this. Things have been crazy. And I just want to find some time to get out here on the creek and maybe find some peace. Let's see if we can catch some fish. How far we can get over there to that ledge. Interesting, that tree limb is eventually going to make its way into the smallie hole here. Looking to see what happens then. Definitely allow for some more cover and places for the fish to hide. Right, hopefully we'll get fish number 2 at least here. Oh, yep, nope. Yep, nope, yep, 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 nope, yep, yep, nope, nope, yep, nope, yep, yep. That's some bites, I think. Those ACC crappie rods are so sensitive that sometimes it's hard to tell between a bite and bumping across rocks. So. Something's on. Set hook. Alright, let's see what we got. Looks like a rock bass by the way it's coming in. Oh yeah, definitely a rock bass. There we go. Rock bass number 2. Sweet. Beautiful little rocky. Thanks for that, buddy. I feel like at some point this little spot's gonna fill in. The smallie hole is gonna cease to exist. And it'll be in a smallie flat. Another fish. There we go. Another fish over there right off the rocks. Feels like it's probably another rock bass. Oh yeah. Another little rock bass. Not surprised to see this many rock bass just because of the lure we're using. I've said in the past, I think these guys like the budgie stuff more than the smallies do. So, 3 from this hole. See if we can get 3 from this hole. Oh, that was a good hit. That was a good hit of something. Just didn't set that good enough. Should have went just straight up with it, but tried to reel down a little bit before I could set the hook. Ended up being the wrong answer. Let's see if it's still over there. There we go. There we go. That was a little better. There's another rock bass though. It's 4 rock bass. I'm pretty sure there's a smallie hiding in here somewhere. Every now and then this little spot becomes a rock bass hole, but usually I call it smallie hole. But there we go. Another little rock bass. 3 from this spot. Not bad. I'm going to throw up 1 towards the lower waterfall. And then move on to the next spot. Oh, there we go. It's been a minute. Hey, I think we got our first smallmouth. Finally. We've just been cruising along. Oh man, there we go. There we go. We got a smallie. Come on, Bubba. Get you loose and show you off. I want to show you off, bro. I want to show you off, bro. There we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go. First smallmouth there. All right. Finally, been a good bit. I'm just out here walking. Well, out here walking and out here thinking, out here praying a little bit. You know, as you do. Goodness. There we go. Finally. Probably been about 45 minutes since we caught a fish, maybe. So, there we go. Got a fish. One little big stretch here. And then we'll be done. But we're just out here walking. Appreciate you guys walking with me. Got something. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh no, I don't know if we can get it or not. Oh my gosh, there's something huge behind it. How many are behind it? Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see. I think there's like 2 or 3 behind it. 1, 2, yep, 2 definitely behind it. Look at there. Look, 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 look. There they go, they saw me. All right, oh, got off. Oh man, nice one though. Not gonna complain about that guy getting off after seeing those other 2 too. Goodness, nice fish. All right, there we go. Oh, finally got around to finding some big ones. Oh, there we go. Maybe we can get this one in. Not nearly as big as that first one, but what do we got? Yep, little smallmouth. There we go. There we go with our friend the airplane going on behind us. All right. Okay. Alrighty, another little smallie there. Got some nice patterns on that guy. But thank you, buddy. Thank you. All right. We're cast up into this little hole here. And then we'll switch up batteries and turn around, I guess. Oh, something hit it. There we go. Saw something grab it. I couldn't see where it was, so I guess it might have still had it, but there we go. Pulled a little bitty smallie off of that little hinge in there. There we go. Oh, look at them patterns. There we go. Little bitty smallie right before we turn around, so maybe they will go after this swim bait a little more. Thank you for biting, buddy. Always gotta deal with the airplanes when we're out in this spot, but we're the turnaround spot. Done a lot of walking, a little bit of catching, a lot of praying as well. We're gonna get turned around here. Got the swim bait on now. We caught the one already with the swim bait there, just at the little pocket. So we're gonna head back up, see what else we can catch. Maybe we can get all those big ones again, and just keep doing what we're doing. So hopefully you're enjoying. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to come back and hang out with me in the creek or on the kayak or anywhere else the good Lord may take me. So let's go get fishing. Catch some more fish, maybe. Oh, ooh, that was bad. Bad reach. One of the good things about swim bait is it's light, so I'll probably see a little bit better if it gets taken. Oh, right here, the sun is getting me toasty. There we go. Got one in the pool. A little bitty guy. don't know if we're going to be getting the big one today, except for that one we hooked, but another little guy here. Beautiful little smallie. Awesome. Bye, buddy. That's the best whenever the airplanes are gone and all you got left is birds and bugs. Oh, there we go. I think we got another one right there off that ledge. I'm not sure what we got yet. There we go. We got a rock bass. There we go. Oh, and I got another fish. Sweet. Beautiful little rock bass. Thank you for biting, buddy. All right, we're back at the smallie hole. Didn't have a whole lot of luck that run, but did catch a good few here with the mud bug. So we'll give a few casts here, see if we can catch anything, and then maybe call it a day. All right, realists, we're gonna wrap it up. Got out in the creek today. Definitely was in the head, thinking and praying most of the trip. Appreciate you guys coming along. I said I haven't made a video in a minute, so I was just like, well, I gotta get out and try to do something. So appreciate every one of you guys that support the channel. Hope you guys have a great day and great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get out and find some peace in the creek real soon.